I am so happy to sing for all of you. We love you, Lion, Lion, Lion!
Wow, he is so cool. I wish I could be famous like him. People will love me and give me many gifts.
Bill, it is time to sleep now. Okay, Mom. Bill, wake up! You are famous in the city! What are you talking about?
Look at this video. You are singing at school. Hey, that's me. I love my mom. I love my dad. I love my family. They make me glad. I like him. So talented. Wow, they like me so much. There are many nice comments about me. Oh! Ah! I am famous now! Ha! That's wonderful! I'm so nervous. Will anyone recognize me?
We love you! We love you!
What a surprise! This is for you, Bill! He is so cool! Bill, can you sign this for me? Yes. Here is your signature. Here for you and for you. Sit here. This is a special seat for you. Wow. He is so cute. Thank you, everyone. Bill, can you sign for my son? Yes, here is he.
I want to see him. Oh my God! God!
Being famous is really great.
Everyone calm down. We can meet again tomorrow.
I am so tired now.
Are you Bill from that video at school?
Who are you?
I am the boss of English TV Entertainment Company. Do you want to join my company?
Ha! Really? Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
Mom, Dad, can I join?
Yes, you can join if you like it.
But you must stay at the company and train with us. You can go home only one time each month.
Only one time each month?
You can be a global star, like Lion.
Wow, that is my dream! But I must stay far from my family. I need time to think about it.
Okay, think about it and tell me soon. See you again, kid.
Oh my God! I'm late!
We love you! We are your fans! Everyone calm down. I am late for school.
Hey, friends, I want to play with you.
We love you!
Wait, I want to stay with my friends.
I will kick the ball. Get ready. We love you! No, I want to play football.
Wow, lunch today is so yummy. No, my lunch. I need a quiet place. People love me, but I feel so stressed.
We are your fans! We are your fans! We are
my God! How do you feel about your fame? What is your next plan?
Come on, son.
We are waiting for you since morning.
We cannot go outside. People follow us everywhere.
I think being an idol is very hard and stressful. I wonder if Lion feels like this. Do not worry. We are always with you. I cannot go outside like this. I will go to school in disguise.
Bill, come out! We want to talk to you!
We found you!
He is not good. He does not deserve this.
No, we love him. He is great. He does not deserve this. Stop. I feel very confused. No! No! Please leave me alone. Get in the car now, quick! Thank you for helping me. Wow! Wow, it's you! I really like you! I love your song!
Thank you. Do you feel it is hard to be famous?
Yes, everything is messy, and my life is not peaceful. Some people love me, but some people do not like me. My mom cannot sit outside to read and enjoy the sun.
What?
My sister is bothered at school. Please help me get his signature. Please help me get his signature. And my dad is late for work because reporters block him.
Late again.
Do you hate this life?
Sometimes I feel tired like you. But I love the stage, and I love to sing.
I like when people see my talent and love me,
Everything feels right.
so the bad things do not affect me too much.
Wow, you are very strong.
So, do you still want to be famous?
I think I do not want it. I like my free life.
That is good. Follow what you really like.
Thank you for helping me. I will always support you.
Thank you. Goodbye, Bill.
I feel better now. Let's solve this.
How do you feel about your fame?
Are you gonna join English TV Entertainment Company?
Everyone calm down. I want to say something. Thank you for always supporting me. I will not become a famous person. I want to live a normal and free life. Thank you, everyone.
What, is that true?
That is a waste of time.
We are proud of you, Bill.
You choose what you really want.
Thank you for always being with me.
I think being famous is not as fun as I thought. Do you want to try again? No, I do not want it anymore. Hello, what happened? Are you okay?
What happened?
My mom is sick. I must go back to my hometown right now.
Oh no, I broke the dish.
Ouch, I fell down.
Oh no, my dress is torn.
Oh no, the food is burning! Everything is a mess now.
It is time to learn now. Today, we will learn 4 new words. The first word is disguise.
Oh, I see. Ta-da!
Say with me. Disguise. 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 Disguise means you change how you look so people do not know you. Bill wears a hat and big clothes to disguise himself from reporters. The spy wears a big mustache and glasses as a disguise. The second word is deserve. Say with me. Deserve. 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 Deserve means you should have something because you worked hard or you are good. Lion works very hard as a singer, so he deserves to be famous. Anna studied very hard, so you deserve 100 points. I got 100! The third word is messy. Say with me, messy, messy, messy. Messy means something is dirty or not neat.
Bill is famous now, so his life is very messy. Bill, your bedroom is very messy with toys on the floor. Let's clean it.
Yes, Mom. The fourth word is peaceful. Say with me, peaceful, peaceful, peaceful. Peaceful means quiet and calm, without noise or trouble.
Mom has no more peaceful mornings because reporters bother her.
The countryside is very peaceful and beautiful. Now, let us practice together. Say with me.
Disguise, disguise, disguise. Next word. Deserve, deserve, deserve.
Third word, messy, messy, messy. Next word, peaceful, peaceful, peaceful. One more time. Disguise, deserve, messy, peaceful. It's easy, right? Let's write this lesson in your notebook. What will happen if Dad becomes Mom for one day? Watch the next video to see what will happen next. Do not forget to like this video to support us. And subscribe to English TV. Goodbye.